children, welcome to GK session, and today what we are going to learn any cases. Just see behind me, what is that background? Plants, animals, of course you're right. So today we are going to learn about nature, okay? So children, what do you all know about nature? Plants, animals, only nature, ma'am. Of course, you're right. So little elaborately, I will explain you something about this nature, okay? So don't skip this video. Only 2 minutes, ma'am is going to speak. Later, you're going to watch some animated videos, okay? Before that, let me introduce 2 new words. Just remember, 2 new words. First word is afforestation. What is it? Afforestation. What it mean? Planting a new tree or new plant or sowing a seed only, we can call it as afforestation. A, then forestation. Okay. The next word is deforestation. What is it? Deforestation, which means cutting down of trees. Cutting trees only, we can call it as deforestation. Afforestation, yes, planting a new tree. Deforestation, cutting. Okay, so I will tell you something about nature. Do you all know one thing? This nature is already which keeps good friendship with us. How, ma'am? Yes, for that what we should do? We also should maintain good friendship with our nature. How? But we are not doing that. No, ma'am, we are doing. No, not at all. I will tell you what are all the bad things we are doing for our nature. Okay? Just now, I will tell you some good things. In what way this nature is helping us. Okay? Now, please close your eyes. Close your eyes and imagine now you are outside of your home, of your house. Okay? Now, yes, whatever I am saying, just feel that. Okay? Can you can you see the hills and mountains and also trees? Can you all able to see that? Imagine, don't open your eyes, okay? Now, can you hear the sounds of birds and blowing air? Yes, of course. Now see, in that blowing wind, can you smell that flower which is near you? Of course. Now, open your eyes. Yes, of course. Can you feel right now that fresh air in front of your face? Yes, of course. So, this is the way nature which keeps good friendship with us. So, these are all the things we are enjoying, right? So, nature is good friend with us, of course. But what we are doing for nature? Yes, cutting trees. That is very, very, very bad thing. We are doing some harmful things for nature, like air pollution, water pollution, even noise pollution, all those things which affects our nature. So what we should do? What we should do, children? We should not throw whatever it may be, garbage in water or something. Okay, water or even land. We have to put all the garbage in the dustbin. Okay, for that we have particular place for that, right? So that next thing, we should not cut the trees. This is very, very important one. What we are doing, we are cutting the trees in that place itself. We are constructing many houses, apartments, like that. So this is the way we are destroying our nature. So we should not do all those things. So what, ma'am, we should do? I will tell you today or tomorrow. So you just ask your mom to give this tomato seed or chili seed. Definitely it will be there, or coriander. Okay, so this is also one of the way we can protect our nature. Just go outside and sow it. Okay, your mom will help you. So always this nature is doing only good things for us. Nature is like our mother. When we hurt our mother, she will do always good things for us. Likewise, when we hurt nature, it will always do only good things for us. So hereafter, we also should do good things only for nature. We will get fresh air from nature. Same time, do you all know one thing? What gas we are breathing? We breathe in oxygen and we gives out carbon dioxide, right? Of course, everything we get from this trees only, right? So that what we have to do, we should protect our nature. So here is some interesting videos. Please watch it. 2 videos is there about afforestation and deforestation. Okay. So children, we should protect our motherland. Which is our motherland? Our planet Earth. Okay, we can see a small story. One day a boy was walking home from school. Okay, he was enjoying like seeing many trees and sounds of birds, and he's enjoying. He looked at the beautiful trees beside the road and smiled, and he reached home very happily. The very next day, he was passing from the same place. So, he was walking from the same place after his school. Evening time, he was walking. Suddenly, he was shocked. Oh, where are the trees? Where? What happened? So, he's looking here and there. His friend was there. He was asking, I can't see the trees here. Do you know? Where are they? So he replied, a woodcutter cut them last evening. So he felt very bad, and he's going and discussing this with his friends. So all together they planned. So they planned to plant the trees back again there in the same place they are planning. So they all planted trees there and made the place very green and beautiful as earlier. So and same time they created awareness to all the people by going every home. He asked to plant all the people like trees and everything. Okay, and he's asking like save trees. So this only I said, what is afforestation? We have to, what you understood from the story, afforestation, that is we have to plant trees. Okay, so the process of planting trees and seeds on land is called afforestation. Okay, children, always remember afforestation is very important. Okay, if we save our motherland, that is our planet Earth, nature, definitely one day nature will save us. We don't want to go for hospital because you know it very well, many trees which helps us to what? Which helps us and gives us many medicines. You know it very well, like neem tree, tulasi, many trees are there, like they are all good medicines. So nature is always doing good things for us. We also should do only good things. Okay, so that is afforestation. What is afforestation? What you should do? So you just go to and find some place where you want to grow the trees. Okay, so ask them what type of trees will grow in that particular place. Okay, so later on you should take all the essential things. Okay, water can, seeds, whatever you want, just collect other things and plant a seed and save our planet Earth. Okay, this is a small interesting video, just watch it. Okay, thank you.